One of the main advantages of forming an LLC is protection against personal liability in the event that your business is sued. However, intermingling your business and personal finances puts you at risk of losing this protection. In this video, we'll outline simple steps you can take to separate your business and personal finances and avoid the risk of personal liability. There are 3 easy steps you can follow to keep your business and personal finances separate. They are: set up business banking, set up business accounting, and document business decisions. Let's start with setting up business banking. The first step towards separating business and personal finances is setting up a dedicated business bank account and credit card. This way, the business can engage in transactions independent of its owners. Note that many banks require you to have an EIN before setting up an account. Your business accounts should only be used for business-related transactions. Using your business accounts for personal expenditures can expose you to personal liability for the debts of your business. Mistakes do happen, so we recommend keeping a close eye on your accounts to ensure that separation is maintained. Next, let's take a look at business accounting. An effective business accounting system helps you document that you've properly separated business and personal finances. In addition, an accounting system will help you create financial reports, track the performance of your business, and simplify tax filings. You can either get accounting software to do everything yourself, or if you have the budget, hire an accountant to keep track of everything for you and help by giving you one less thing to keep track of. Once you have proper accounting to keep track of all finances, lastly, you'll want to set up tracking of all business decisions. Proper documentation of key business decisions is the last important step in keeping your business and personal finances separate. Make sure all business transactions are signed in the name of the company. All individual signers should indicate their role within the company and that they are signing on its behalf to create a clear distinction of the business as a separate entity and to avoid personal liability. Record meetings with professional minutes and document decisions and signed resolutions. These records help establish the company as its own body with decision-making power. Keeping your business and personal finances separate is easy. Simply set up business banking, business accounting, and document all business decisions. Set up a business bank account and business credit card and use these for all business transactions. Don't use your business account for personal transactions, and don't use your personal accounts for business transactions. Get accounting software or hire an accountant to keep track of all business spending and to make sure that you don't accidentally use business accounts for personal use. And finally, sign any business transactions as the company and not as an individual. Also keep track of all business decisions on paper to establish the company as its own body. For a more detailed guide on keeping your finances separate or how to set up business banking, check out our website at howtostartanllc.com. There we provide all sorts of free resources and guides to help with the formation and operation of your business. Good luck with your small business.